AFTV Kalechi, what can I say? That was shocking today.
See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Not see the game. What game are you talking about?
You know what game I'm talking about.
Wait first. Pray for you. And I know say you gon' pray for me too. Hey. Cause I gon' pray for you. Hey. And I know say you gon' pray for me. Cause angels know they die. Angels don't die. R.I.P. Claude. My brother, the game, my brother, see, the game is clear. We all the results, all the answers, all the questions we need answers to were answered today. The youngsters are the ones carrying the team. They are the ones that are hungry. These men, them are not hungry for success. These boys, Saka, them are the ones, Smith Rowe. Once they are out, levels dropped. It's simple as that. Also, unpopular opinion, it showed that Xhaka's absence was felt. It's an unpopular opinion. You might title it that way, I don't care. But it's an unpopular opinion. And it's clear. If you know football, you will see it. Nobody said he's the best player in the world or anything, no. But in the system we are playing, he has to be there.
Don't you think there's a lot of players?
I'm coming. David Luiz as well, another person that has been criticized majorly, and sometimes rightly so, was missed. You can see, we are not saying that if we need to go and improve on them, we cannot improve. We can improve on them.
They're missing
No,
Gomez.
I'm coming from, I'm progressing now, because they did not progress between the lines. I'm progressing now. Now, at the attack, you have Phillips. Their defense, you have Matt Phillips and Kabak. They were not tested at all. Nobody ran towards them, nothing. Those boys had an easy game. In fact, they even had to sub Kabak off like, it's too easy. Let Rhys Williams come and play. That's insulting. And you have 50 million pound players, attackers.
No.
The other one is
75.
75, 50, 50, I think.
Yeah.
And they could not test one that is coming from the academy and the one that costs like 5 million. So 100 and something million could not even test those defenders.
The lack of desire, the lack of effort today was very, very shocking to see.
The energy was not there. They were not pressing. And as a manager, you should see this and say, okay, who can ginger the boys? Who can up the energy? You throw in your joker in Martinelli. Let him run.
He brought him on like
76 minutes or something like that. What do you want the boy to do? And even then, he still showed some energy. He still showed fight. But the rest of them, they were on holiday. Today's game, no, the boys were on holiday. I did not see anything. I don't know the game
holidays for real.
Yeah, it's Easter holidays. Yeah, so they're already in their head. They mentally checked out. So I didn't even see the game.
It's worrying looking when you look at the games coming up. That huge game against Slavia Prague. It's worrying when you see what we saw today.
Of course. And Slavia Prague, they are a serious team. And to be honest with you, I'm scared. Because if you look at Slavia Prague are on the same level as Olympiacos, and we struggle to beat Olympiacos, why would I be scared? No, I shouldn't be scared. I'll be scared. If you're struggling to beat Olympiacos and then I have
the most scariest thing is the defending.
Of course. And I have Slavia Prague that dumped 2 British teams out. And in fact, of which one of the British teams has gone unbeaten in their own league. Their own league is better than the Slavia Prague league. Their team is better than Slavia Prague team. The other British team, Leicester City, they are both in the league and they are playing well. And then you say I shouldn't be scared. I'll be scared with what I'm seeing. Back to back, what I'm seeing. It's horrible. So my brother, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm scared. You understand? I'm scared. It just depends on the fitness of the likes of Xhaka. Hopefully he stops vomiting and gets better soon. Hopefully Tierney's injury is not that serious. Hopefully Luiz's injury is not serious. Hopefully Saka will come back. At least we'll get some semblance of normality. If we go with this same team, my brother, I'll come to the stream and just be praying my rosary throughout the game. I'll just be praying, praying to God.
Let's just, before you go, Claude, your thoughts on the sad news this week?
I don't know how to explain it. It was I was stunned by it. I just woke up and that was the first thing I saw on my feed. And I remember when we are among the first set that came on AFTV, so I've known him for donkey years now. And nice guy, always checking up, always reaching out, showed love every time. I remember one time he was always criticizing. That's the game to criticize.
Yeah.
Iwobi, and then one day he came. We were outside the stadium, and then I was with Iwobi's dad.
I remember that.
I said Iwobi's dad. I said, Claude, Chloe, oh, who is that? Oh. And then I hugged that, you're like, oh, it's nothing personal. He said, no, the is that. We're like, no, it's all love. That was a moment for me, And he was always been a very, cool guy. So, respect to him. The song I dedicated to him. For me, he's an angel. And he should be helping us to score goals now that he's up there. You understand? If the ball is hitting the bar, he just to hit it, let it go. No, we need him now. We need him now. You understand? We need him now. Seriously. But RIP Claude. Obviously, we want to thank everybody that has been donating. We have to thank you guys as well, the way you guys handled it as well. It was class. Going off social media for a few days out of respect, and with the help, you guys are pushing with the GoFundMe and the.
Super chats today.
Yeah, exactly.
Couple grand we did on that today. Thanks to everybody who donated to that. Fantastic.
Yeah, and big up to the school that did the, I don't know, they did
Minister
something
applause,
for Minister
yeah.
Applause. Yeah. I mean, it shows the impact that we make, in the community. Every one of us, whether you like us or not, there's the impact there. And what has happened, it has shown love. We are reading super chats from India, Pakistan, everywhere, all around the world. So, RIP Claude, great guy. I don't know. Rest in peace.